right. Quit or continue searching. Recently, Olympic hurdler and bobsledder Lolo Jones revealed that she's having difficulty dating and finding that right partner. Hey, Lola, join the rest of the billions around the world. She's become bored with dating, and so in today's Girl Talk, we're going to look at some of the reasons that could be the cause. Okay. All right. What's cause number one?
I don't know. I don't find it yet.
Me neither.
Heading around there, Harris.
Heading
around there. I'm sorry. It's that kind of morning. Okay. So, as you said, this is not an issue that only one person is having. Okay. I note a young lady in social who has just launched an online search, vetting search of sorts. I don't know if you've seen it, where she has said that she's heading back out into the dating world, and so she's crafted a form that she has put out there for interested applicants. They have to fill out the form, and then she vets them, and then I guess hopefully she will find her partner from there. I don't know. I see people coming out to say this is a very innovative way for her to find her partner, but these would be some of the lengths that people are going through to try and find a significant other. Okay. I'm confused. I don't know.
May I look for it?
I don't know. All right, what's the question we're asking? Lolo says, I'm no spring chicken. I'm 38 years old. The good news about being this age and talking to other guys this age is they're usually serious about dating and meeting their match too. What a relief. Still, she admitted it's hard to date. One guy's a Christian, one guy's not. One guy's a workaholic, the other one unmotivated. I'm torn between personality or character, looks, or morals. And of course, it does not help that we are in a pandemic. So we're looking at some of the challenges, I guess, and whether we should pack it in or maybe wait until after the pandemic.
But what are the challenges, though, the ones that Lola is having?
I guess. And I guess general challenges, if this is not a problem that Lola alone is having and that women seem to be having generally, is it worth the stress of looking? There's this notion too in Adelia that you don't look, the right partner comes to you. I don't know about that. But as a single woman, I don't even know what to say about this, to be honest.
Me either, so I feel that's it for Girl Talk.
Me don't know really what to. It's a difficult road to trod. I don't know if looking is necessarily the right thing, being open. But if you're somebody who wants to be with somebody, packing it in is not an option. I guess you just have to stick it out until your turn comes and hope that whomever you run into is helpful, not hurtful, and not harmful. And sometimes that requires a little bit of patience, and sometimes it requires kissing several frogs before you can find your prince. So, hang in there, Lola, Lolo, and all the other women who are having difficulty in this area. And I've heard several talking about it, so I know she's not alone. Okay, I think that's it. After the break, we're going to get the details on Berger's Bold concert. Stay with us.